Hello, and welcome back to EduLab. We're diving into the future of Microsoft Excel, where traditional functions are getting a powerful upgrade. Specifically, we're looking at how Microsoft Copilot is set to replace complex lookup functions like VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, making data retrievals simpler than ever. In this first example, we have our source data on the left with name, age, and designation. On the right, we have a partial table with some names, and we need to pull their corresponding age from the main dataset. Traditionally, this would require a specific VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP formula. But with Copilot, we can now use a plain language query right in the formula bar. Watch this. We start by typing =Copilot. Now, for the prompt, we simply ask Copilot what we want. Extract age from the table based on the name. Next, we define the context. This is where Copilot learns what data to look at. We select the entire source table from name to designation and make sure we lock the cell references to prevent issues when dragging the formula. Finally, we specify the lookup value, which is the name in the current row of our target table. Press Enter, and Copilot processes the request. The age for Johann is returned instantly, 24. Now, all we need to do is drag the formula down. Copilot correctly retrieves the age for Mark, 54, and Luke, 79, flawlessly completing our data lookup without a single complex formula argument. Let's look at a second, more complicated scenario. This time, we want to look up the name based on the designation. This is often tricky with VLOOKUP because the lookup column isn't always the first column. Again, we start in the formula bar, =Copilot. Our new prompt is extract name from the table based on the designation. For the context, we again select our entire source data table. We lock the cell references, and for the lookup value, we select the designation in the current row of the target table. Hit Enter, and the name Mark is returned for salesman. Drag the formula down, and in seconds, Copilot populates the names for all the other designations: Johann, Mike, Karen, and Robert. This demonstrates the power of Copilot. It completely bypasses the need to remember complex function syntax, column indexes, and range formats. By using natural language, Copilot democratizes advanced Excel functionality, making data lookups intuitive and accessible to everyone. That's how Microsoft Copilot is transforming lookups in Excel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to EduLab for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video!